Hey guys, I'm back and today I'm going to show you ways on how to master the perfect winged eyeliner look. So the first tip would be, if you're using liquid eyeliners, is that if you're not comfortable with the brush, and because they come with the liner bottle itself, most of the times the brush can be really short and very difficult to use if you haven't practiced a lot with it. So in that case, you can go out there and get any kind of brushes, something like an angled brush or these liner brushes. These aren't necessarily liner brushes but regular art supply brushes, and since these are really cheap, I got 4 of these for around 65 bucks. So these were really cheap, and also I think since the handle is very long, it can be really helpful in being able to maneuver your eyeliner when you're applying it. Tip number 2 would be to keep a lot of makeup removing wipes in handy, so that if you make a lot of mistakes, you can always grab onto something and remove it. Also, makeup removing wipes can be a bit expensive, and you will feel bad if you waste a lot of them. So in that case, buy wipes like these at your I think your local store, and these are baby wipes, and these come in a pack of 80, and these are alcohol free, and most of the time they also have lotion in them, which is like really great for your skin. And I think these came in a pack of 175 rupees for 80, which is I think a really good deal. First thing I want you all to do is take your liner out, dip it very well so that you have a lot of product on, and take off the excess on the rim of the tube. You don't want too much product, because the more product you have, the more it will budge here and there. So I want you to have enough so that you can draw perfect lines. So the first thing is, I will draw a line from this corner of my eye, following the natural curve of my eye and just extending it a little bit. See? Next, I know it's really fine, but then the smaller, finer strokes we have, it will be easier to build on that, because going from more to less is difficult, but working on something small and making it bigger is easy. So after I've drawn it, see, now I can make it a little bit thick as I want it to be. Now what I want you to concentrate on is that it's not necessary to draw one line starting from the corner of your eye and draw it all the way there, because first, you won't ever have enough product on your brush to be able to do that, and secondly, that leads to the most number of mistakes, because I have seen my friends start from here and try to draw a line all the way there, and it is not easy. Firstly, even I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to trace the natural line of our eye, because that's the easiest thing to do, because we already have a line there, and tracing on it is easier than trying to create a line that our eye does not follow. So first, I'm going to try to run the liner on this line and drag it back there. See? I'm going to take more product and make another line and drag it back there again. See, I'm making a lot of mistakes here intentionally so that I can show you the last and the best trick on how to make this line fleek AF, and people will think that you're a master at this art. I'm just trying to make this perfect, because the last part isn't the issue. So I'm drawing and I'm dragging. I'm drawing and I'm dragging. Each and every time you draw a new line, I want you to drag your entire brush over the line you've already created, because as many times you do that, you're gonna have a smoother, more perfect line. Okay, now you see the line is done, but this edge is not perfect. Okay, now I have liner on my cheek. So how am I going to remove that liner on my cheek? I'm just trying to do this to build suspense. But remember the baby wipes I told you about? these babies can do wonderful tricks. They can also remove the liner on your face and hold it like a corner at the base of your eye and just drag it up. See? I know nobody taught you that. So from every time now, I don't want you to worry a lot about this flick, because that is something you can work on, and it only took me a second to make that perfect. But this part, which is basically an easy thing to do, that is tracing the line of your eye that already exists, is something you can work on. Also, over time, when you try doing that same trick again and again, I know you'll be able to master just drawing that wing without the wipe. But as long as you can't do that, you have your baby wipes to save your life.